Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock GM-5600 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time, date and other watch functions. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the adjust button once and the seconds begin to flash, which indicates that we are in the position of setting our seconds value as well as enter the settings menu. Now, you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by simply pressing the upper right button and it will go to 0. Whilst you are setting your seconds value, you can also set your time format, basically 12 or 24-hour time format, by pressing the lower right button. As you can see, I'm shuffling between PM or 24 in the dial over here. So when I press this button, you can see that it's shuffling between PM and 24-hour time format. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Once I'm done with the seconds and my hour format, I'm gonna press the mode button, that is the lower right, and the hours begin to flash. Now I'm in the position of setting my hour value. To set the hour value, you can press the upper right button, basically to shuffle between the hour value. So currently this is my time and I'm gonna leave it at 0. So it's past midnight. Next up, once we have set our hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button and the minutes begin to flash. Number 11 is showing, but you can switch it or fine-tune it by pressing the upper right button. And by pressing and holding it, it will engage fast rotation. So let me set it to number 11 because that's the time in my time zone. Once I've set my minutes value, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and now I'm in the position of setting my year value. It is 2022, but you can shuffle it by pressing the upper right button and it will basically rotate the value. Pressing and holding it will engage fast rotation. It is set to year 2099 automatically, but I'm gonna set it to 2022 since that is my year currently. Once I've set my year value, I'm gonna press the mode button and I can see that my month value is flashing. This is the correct number for my month, so it is December, but I can press the upper right button and I can shuffle that value. Once I've set my month value, I'm gonna again press the mode button once and the day value begins to flash. Now I'm in the position of setting my year value. The day value. Again, I can press the upper right button to shuffle the values or press and hold it to engage fast rotation. And since today is December the 9th, I'm gonna leave it at number 9. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button and I'm back at the setting the seconds value, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date and our time format. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button and the watch will now implement the settings that we have just ran through. This watch also has a flash alert. You can enable it or disable it by pressing the upper right button whilst you are in the standard timekeeping mode. So press it for about 2 seconds and hold it, and it will indicate on the screen over here. So again, to disable it, press and hold it, and the indicator on the screen will go off. And with that, we have run through the settings tutorial of this watch. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.